Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we will see like what is the map function in the Python. So here I have created on a Python interview playlist, so you can watch it, and I will share this playlist in the description box, so you can watch it. Right. So let's start here. So first understand that what is the map function in the Python, some theory part and some we will go some with example as well. So map function is nothing but it is a built-in function that is allowed to process and transform your all item in the iterable object without using the explicit loop, for loop or the while loop. So what it means iterable object means your iterator could be like list or the tuples. So basically, for all the element you have the iterator objects. So suppose uh, you have 1 comma 2 comma 3, so this you have the list, right? So all the element will be processed and transfer. Suppose you want to find out the square of each element, so like 1 comma 4 comma 9. So each element will be processed and each element will be transformed based on our logic. So so this is the map function work. So syntax for the map functions goes like this: map function, map, we pass the function, and we pass the iterator. So iterator could be list or the tuples. So now we will understand why some more about using the example, right? So here I have created one list, right? So let's create one function df square f return x is f. Okay, now we have a huge result is equal to, we have created one function. So function will be do what? It will be square of each element, one in one power of one, that is like 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9, right? So each element will be processed and transformed for each element. Now we have created map. In the map function we pass our function name. So our function name is square, right? So we pass square. Okay, and we pass our iterable object. So over the iterable object we have the list, so we pass list, right? And let's see that. So it is saying that map object, so that is all element is a process and transfer, but you have to see the result. You have to use convert either to list or the tuple. So first convert it to list. Now run that. Okay, sorry, I have used. So see, so 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, and 5 square is 25, right? And so like we have passed is map function name and the array travel object. And suppose if you the list type cost we have used to return the result in the list form. Suppose if we are using tuple, the result will become in the tuple. Let's try. So data type is in the tuple. Okay, and suppose uh, this is the, suppose you have the this element and your some task is comes, means each element should be added by 100. So what we can do? So instead of just change the add function, add constant. I have changed the function name. This is the x plus 100. What is the objective there? For the each element, we want to add 100, so like 1 plus 100, 101, 2 plus 100, 102, and 3 plus 100, that is the 1003. And same like so. So for the each element we want to 100, so we can write the logic return x plus 100 and just pass this function name here. Okay. and see the result here. So 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. You can change it list as well. Okay. So this is it. So this is the use of like map function. So map function basically is a built-in function in the Python, and it will do the process and transfer for each element in your iterable object without using any explicit loop or while loop or for loop. So I suppose let's understand one more example here. So we have like this is the list word he has, and we want to find out length of each word in the list. So let's make one function def word length, right, and pass x, that is the parameter, and return. We can use length keyword and pass x. Okay, and so result is equal to list. Use the map function. Map function pass two parameter function name. So the function name is word length. This is the function name. What we have the iterable object. So we have iterable object list word. So this list we have to be passed here, and so this will return the map object, not any result. So we are converting into list to see the result proper. So and we print the result. Um, let's I'm I have removed it. Let's see the result. Okay, let's see. So this is the map object is coming. If you do list, then your result will be come. So see the hello have the five length one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Python has a six character, so six length 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 character. Data engineering course had the 20 character, 20 length, so the 20 code code 4 character 4. So uh, each words providing the its length by using the this function. So that's all for this video. If you do like this video, please do like and subscribe the channel for more upcoming video. Thank you.